Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to my channel where I share all things home related and lifestyle. So today I want to do something a little different and I want to take you guys with me into TJ Maxx. I feel like I haven't done a shop with me video in so long, but lately I have been finding some really good items to organize around the house. So I want to go in there just to see what they may have. I haven't been in here in about a week, so I want to take you guys with me. So let's go and check it out. Y'all do not sleep on TJ Maxx. I love coming in person because you get so many more ideas just by seeing things in person. Did pick up, let me show you guys. I picked up these already. So they are $12.99. I'm going to use these in that closet, in the guest bedroom closet, the one that I have like some sheets, and then I also have my cleaning products in. I'm going to use these to put some towels and the actual sheets in. They also have the bigger one for $14.99, and these, by the way, are $12.99. I'm debating, do I need the bigger ones or the smaller ones? I kind of feel like I need to get all of them because I really like how they look. I think what I'm going to do, because you know how TJ Maxx is, you see stuff, you leave stuff, and you come back for it, it's gone. So I'm going to get them, and if I don't use them, I'll be bringing them back. But I think that I'm probably going to use them. So let me grab them while I see it, and there's the bigger ones down there. So y'all know that I live for a organization drawer. Y'all have seen them in several places in my home. So these would be good to go like in a linen closet or under the bathroom sink. They are stackable. This is the full size and they're only $9.99. And I love that they're frosted as well, to just kind of hide what you have in there if that's what you want. So I love that. And you know you can never go wrong with a clear bin. I bought a couple of these last week, I think. And they're only $14.99. So these are really nice organizers for like your makeup or whatever facial products that you're using. Love these, and I love the design on these. $5.99 for two is not bad at all, and they have them in pink. These bins right here are definitely good as well. They're clear and they have a top, and as you can see, you can put all kinds of different items in there. Like I would use these for like a linen closet to like put different items like facial wash, bars of soap. You can pretty much put anything in there. You can put linen in there as well. These are nice. I would definitely grab these. And these baskets, you guys know that I usually grab these around Christmas time because they go on clearance then. But these are nice to put pretty much anything in. But I love these for the girls because I can put like their bows and then, you know, small little items in there. So I would definitely grab these if I needed them. I'm loving these black containers. I would definitely grab these if I was organizing like a linen closet or pretty much any space. These will look good in the pantry as well if you're going for black. And they're $16.99 for three of them is an amazing price. So this would be perfect for like a craft room, or if you have like a lot of things in your office that you kind of just want to get organized. This would be good. And I think it's also good like if you want to organize like household items like batteries, command strips, things like that. This would be good. It's $34.99. So this is everything that I am picking up at TJ Maxx today. So I'm about to go and check out, and I am going to show you guys a few other items just to give you a couple ideas of what to look for when you go to check your stores. But I purchased those a couple days ago, so they're home. So I'll show you guys those when I get home. Okay, y'all, so I am home, and here are the containers that I told you I was going to show you guys. I'm actually going to use these if they'll fit in this closet that I'm about to work on. So I picked up two of these a couple days ago, and these were $10 for the set, which is a really good deal, and they are pretty sturdy. I think I'm probably going to put some soap and body washes and stuff in here. I'm not sure yet, but we're going to see. And then these I was super excited about. So y'all know that I love a pull out drawer organizer. Love them so bad. But this one has a compartment in it. And it is pretty big. It's a large size. I don't see the dimensions. And you can pull the divider out if you would like to. Oh, here it is right here on the back. If you kind of need to get an idea of how big they are. And the best part about it, y'all, they were on clearance for $12. I love me a red sticker. I tell y'all this all the time. Make sure y'all check the clearance rack first before you start your shopping, because you just never know what you can find. So I'm about to get to work on this closet, and the closet that I am working on is actually the one in the, hold on, let me move this ring light. It's the one in the guest bathroom. Remember, I did this closet over here that has all the decor items in it, and this is the linen closet right here. Got some random stuff up there in the top. Never got around to pull items out of here that I can move into the decor closet. So the majority of this stuff is coming out and going in there, like these candles and things like that. Got some tissue, some linen, bath rugs, more organizers over here. Y'all, I pick up organizers like all the time because there's always something to organize. Always. I'm telling you. So when you see it, pick it up. All right, so let's get to work on this closet. I can't remember what I was talking about before in one of my previous videos, but I do remember saying this previously. So anytime something is on your mind constantly or in your spirit constantly, like it just will not leave you alone, it is time to address it. That is how I am feeling about the things that we have that have piled up in our home, the clutter. It's just on my mind. Like I have no peace, and I know it's because it's time. It has to go. So I am on a mission. I've already started going through these closets, these drawers, these cabinets, all the things. If we're not using it currently, if it's not serving a purpose currently, it is going. Okay, y'all, so I wanted to give you guys a close-up of the quality of this, as you can hear, but the inside is lined in metal all the way around, and it is really sturdy, pretty sturdy. So anytime I see these in TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, whichever store, I am grabbing these. They look nice and they are really sturdy for the price of what they cost. Like they should be more, but yeah, these are a great find. So if you find these at your store, definitely grab these. So I am on a mission, y'all. I think I told you guys this too, but I am so serious. I am on a mission to get everything in its place. Like I was going to wait until this summer while I'm off from work, but as you can see, I have already started the process of pulling things out that we are not using, things that we have not been using, things that are no longer serving a purpose in this house. It has to go. It just really has to go. And I am doing all of this, one, so I can have some peace. That's number one. Number two, I am trying to get myself in a better place to where I can have so much of my time back. Just having things in their place. I don't have to run around looking for things. I know exactly where they are. It's going to save me money because I can go and see, hey, I have this. I don't need to go and buy another one type thing. And so when I go back to work in August, my goal is to have 5 a.m. mornings. And that means getting up at 5 a.m. I want to be able to work out if I want to. I want to be able to do my devotions, do my journaling, do whatever I need to do before I go to work. Not getting up early to look for stuff. Okay? I don't want to do that anymore. And I am not going to do that. I have already made up my mind. I'm just not going to do that anymore. So I'm excited about this journey that I am currently on, just to get my life back on track as far as organization. I love to organize, but because I have just been so busy, things have just gotten away from me. But I am putting things back in their places. A goal of mine is to eventually go into other people's homes and organize for them. I don't know what it is about organizing things, but it just makes me happy. It brings me so much peace when I do it. Like, I am having the best time just going around my house, finding organizers in the stores, bringing them home, and figuring out what to do with them and making this house function a little bit better. Y'all, I'm excited, and I hope that all of this inspires you as well. If you're having the same issue in your home, y'all get out, get in them stores, look at what they have in your area, pick up some organizers. You don't have to spend a ton of money. Bring that stuff home and get your spaces on track too. And just a quick update on those of you who are anticipating my closet makeover. When I went into IKEA and showed you guys the pack system, we ran into a few hiccups, but we are working to get those straightened out. But as soon as we do, of course, that video will be coming. That is probably going to be the grand finale of the organization in this house. It's a big project, but I promise it's coming. And this is how that closet turned out. I love it. I know exactly where everything is in here. Nice, neat, and functional. And now it's off my mind and off my list. So moving on to something else that has been on my list for a little while, and that is to clean our vacuum cleaners. So I am going to be cleaning one of our stick vacuum cleaners and then also the canister vacuum as well. Both of these are Shark products. This is the stick vacuum. So what I'm going to do to start off is by taking the bottom portion off. And this bottom part is just a lock and unlock mechanism on the bottom of it. And you can release that just by using a butter knife. And this is just a damp microfiber cloth. I'm just using that to get everything wiped down as much as possible. And I also picked up a brush set that I am going to specifically have on hand to clean out my vacuums. And of course, it has that favorite sticker on it, that red sticker, found it on the clearance rack for $6 for this set. And it's a pretty sturdy set as well. So for this process, you don't have to use any soap or anything to clean these parts out. The biggest thing is just loosening the dirt and the dust buildup. And the brushes did a really good job of doing that. And I just gave it a rinse after I was done scrubbing everything down. Now for this part, you need to be extra careful on this because this is where the motor is. You want to detach this canister so you don't move too fast and submerge the entire thing in water. If you do that, your vacuum probably won't work anymore. So what you see me doing here is detaching mine. The motor is what I'm holding here. So I'm just taking a damp microfiber cloth and I'm just going to wipe that out the best that I can, making sure that I did not have any excess water to drip down in there. So that's what I did with that part. And then this other part, I just sprayed it out and used my brushes, which this part is the canister that holds the dust and all of that. So these pieces that you see me taking out here are the filters, and these can be washed with warm soapy water, which you're going to see me do. I'm going to spray it with my Dawn Power Wash and get those cleaned out. And you see all of that dust that was in there. I'm going to clean that out really good with the brushes. So I know that this video has a lot of talking in it. I just had a lot to say in this video. But I hope that you guys had an amazing Mother's Day. Mine was quiet. I just did some of the things that I love to do. And then also happy Nurses Week to all of the nurses out there. And also happy Teachers Appreciation Week, which was last week. Thank you guys for all that you do. So moving on to the corded vacuum. This one was so quick and easy to clean. All I did was detach the canister and then pull the filters out. I washed the filters with warm soapy water and then repeated the same thing with this canister to get that clean as well. And after I was done with cleaning everything, I went in with my Clorox spray cleaner to spray down my countertops and my sinks to get them all nice and sanitized. I let this sit for about 10 minutes and I came back and scrubbed it out. And y'all, I just used some brawny paper towels. Y'all, if y'all don't use brawny paper towels, y'all missing out. These paper towels are so strong. They are like a cloth, like seriously. They're so thick and they get the job done. And I really wanted to use that because I was just able to throw it away when I got done. And here is how these vacuums came out, looking so nice and clean. Definitely something that I need to do more often. I am guilty of not doing it as often, but it's on the list. And that brings us to the end of this week's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and you gained some motivation and some inspiration to get some cleaning and some organization done in your home. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I will talk to you all in my next one.